Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lakeland, local and long distance movers near me. Moving long distances is a substantial task. You have to find the right moving company and make sure you understand the different moving service options, insurance, and how the agreements work. Moving industry experts recommend that you get at least 3 written estimates and that the movers complete a visual survey of what you are moving before they give you their quote. This step will provide you with a better selection of price estimates to choose from and better levels of trust with the mover you end up picking. 3 Movers will come to your residence to do the survey and create the inventory of what you are moving. Our representatives will explain the different service options in terms like tariff, valuation, and binding. We want to make sure you pick the right local service level, insurance coverage, and assistance for your situation. Every move is different. A local move for a small amount of goods will cost relatively little, while moving things to another country can be very expensive. The customer can take specific actions that influence the overall price, and our movers will be happy to explain how you can reduce your cost if saving is a goal. The best way to proceed is to call several companies for an estimate and make sure one of them is 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lakeland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.